Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to bake M&M chocolate chip bars. This is one of my favorite and easiest recipes and the result is so good. They are soft, fudgy and overloaded with M&Ms and chocolates. Put your melted butter into a bowl and let it cool down a little because you don't want to melt your chocolate chips. Then add your brown and white sugar. Use a whisk and keep mixing until all of the sugar is dissolved. Now you can add your eggs and vanilla flavor. Use your whisk again and keep mixing until everything is well mixed. Now it's time to add the flour, cornstarch, baking soda and salt. And it's important to use a sieve for this. Now take a spatula and keep mixing until there is no more flour visible. When everything is well mixed, you can add your M&Ms and chocolate chips. Use a square baking tin like mine and use some baking paper and some oil in it. Sprinkle some extra chocolate and M&Ms on top. Now it's ready to bake. Thank you for watching. Did you like this recipe? Let me know and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.